Alright, let's see, 118.2.
Remarks. Density altitude 1,100. Mount Vernon Outland Airport. Automated weather observation 2153 Zulu. Wind variable at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 6,000. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 10 Celsius. Altimeter 2980. Remarks. Density altitude 1,100.
Alright, 123 and 127.7 on standby. We'll take runway 23. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu is taxiing to runway 23 Mount Vernon. Alright, taxi check. DG is moving. PSI is 0, airspeed is 0, and turn coordinator is turning. Ball is moving opposite. Fuel gauges are showing correctly.
Mount Vernon, Cessna Mount Vernon, you still up on this frequency?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
What about that? 10 miles out, 140 knots on 25. Can I make it in before you take off?
Yeah, you'll have plenty of time. I got to do a run up here. We'll wait for you.
Okay, thanks, sir. I'll keep an eye out.
Kansas City Center, good evening, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu underground at Mount Vernon, looking to pick up our IFR flight plan to Lima, Oscar Tango.
Are you guys ready to go now?
We'll be ready in about 5 minutes. There's traffic on final.
3 Charlie Zulu, Roger. 7 Charlie Zulu, Roger. You are cleared from Mount Vernon Airport to Lewis University Airport via direct climb and maintain 5,000. Squawk code is 1106, 1106. Departure frequency is going to be this 1127.7. And clearance void, if not off by 2215, if not off by 2215, advise only to 2220 of intention.
Roger, 737 Charlie Zulu is cleared as filed direct, 5,000, squawking 1106. Departure is 27. 7 and void if not off by 2215 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Read back correct.
Mount Vernon traffic says 737 Charlie Zulu is departing runway 23 Mount Vernon. Alright, final is clear. Mixture to go. We got winds from the north slightly.
There's no fuel down there.
Alright, 23 is verified. $40, $50, $60, and rotate. Climbing on BY. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu is at the departure end of 23 at 1,300, exiting area to the northwest Centralia, climbing to 5,000, final call Mount Vernon. Kansas City Center, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu out of Mount Vernon, climbing through 2,000 for 5,000.
Over 737 Charlie Zulu, Kansas City Center, radar contact 1 mile west of the Mount Vernon Airport. Taking you out to leaving?
We're climbing through 2,200 now for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Number 737 Charlie Zulu, roger. I maintain 5,000 and Mount Vernon altimeter 29er, 79er.
79er up to 5,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu. Well, here we go, going into the soup. But looks kind of a thin layer. I think we'll
November 737 Charlie Zulu, contact Kansas City Center, 124.3.
24.3 for 737 Charlie Zulu. Good day.
Good day.
St. Louis approach, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu, level 5,000.
737 Charlie Zulu, Kansas City Center. FAM altimeter 2978.
78 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Brickyard 5616, contact St. Louis approach 132.12. 721 Echo November, contact Champaign approach on 132.85.
3285, 21 Echo November, good day.
American 1614, Kansas City Center, climate team. You know what, stand by, I'll have higher in a couple minutes. American 1614, I'll go ahead and annotate that. For now, make it fall 320 on standby. They're about a mile or two to the north. Altitude's indicating 1,100. 3845 Delta, let me know when jumpers are all clear.
All right, we're out of it.
November 737 Charlie Zulu, contact Champaign approach 132.85.
3285 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Carbondale 294 Foxtrot, area of moderate precipitation, 11 o'clock at 10 miles. It's 25 miles scattered in diameter.
Champaign approach, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu, level 5,000.
Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu, Champaign approach, Champaign altimeter 29er 73.
73 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, I have a very slight amendment to routing for a preferential routing through Chicago approach airspace. Advisory ready, copy.
We're ready to copy 737 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, you now clear to the Lewis University Airport via direct Joliet VOR, which is Juliet Oscar Tango, and then direct to Lewis University Airport, and maintain 5,000.
Roger, we're cleared now, direct Juliet, and then direct Lewis at 5,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Over 7 Charlie Zulu, readback is correct, advise when you're direct to the Joliet VOR on course.
Roger. And 737 Charlie Zulu is direct Juliet now.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, roger, thank you. Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, reset transponder, squawk 1310.
1310 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Challenger 2428, contact Chicago Center, frequency 135.75. Have a good day. Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, can you accept either 4 or 6,000 for crossing traffic at 5,000?
We can take 4,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, roger, thank you. Just want to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, traffic 11 o'clock, 12 miles of Barron, level 5,000, southeast bound on a converging course, target severe likely to emerge.
Looking for that Baron 737 Charlie Zulu.
Baron 3 Bravo Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock and 10 miles of Skyhawk, northbound, level 4,000 on a converging course, target severe likely to emerge.
Okay, 30 Bravo Bravo, look for traffic.
All right, 62 miles to go, 35 minutes. All right, we're going to land runway 27 and hopefully make a left turn on Golf Bravo, and Charlie to the ramp.
0.80, localizer, BME, Niner, out of service. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Sierra. Lewis University Tower. Information. Sierra 2255 Zulu. RNAV, runway 27, approach in use. Landing and departing runway 27. Wind 260 at 10 knots. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 10 statute miles. Sky condition, few clouds at 2,400. Temperature 2.13. Altimeter 2967. Contact ground on 134.80. Localizer BME Niner.
Chicago Center. Due to areas of scattered moderate precipitation, 100 position extending to Dill. Ascend via the ND6 arrival, except maintain 7,000. The midway altimeter 2964. 737 Charlie Zulu, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Number 737 Charlie Zulu, contact Chicago approach 119.35.
1935 for 737 Charlie Zulu, good night.
Southwest 1395, contact Chicago approach 128.2.
Southwest 1395, 128.2. Have a good night.
Thanks.
Chicago approach, good evening, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu at 3,000 with Sierra.
We're 737 Charlie Zulu, Chicago approach, the altimeter 2967, you can plan vectors RNAV runway 27 approach.
2967, we would like RNAV 27 as well to 737 Charlie Zulu.
So 7 Charlie Zulu, you expect the RNAV runway 27 approach.
We'll expect 27 approach for 737 Charlie Zulu. 120.42.
Carbondale 293 Foxtrot, traffic at your 1 o'clock and 6 miles northeast on Cessna 172 at 3,000.
We got traffic.
Copy, 293 Foxtrot, we're looking for. November 7 Charlie Zulu, traffic at your 11 o'clock and 6 miles southbound at 4,000, Arrow.
We have him inside, I believe 12 o'clock for 737 Charlie Zulu.
It's like 11:45. UPS 9824 heavy, turn left heading at 100.
That's 100, UPS 9824 heavy.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, turn right heading 070.
Right 070 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Southwest 702, climb maintain 7,000.
7,000, Southwest 702.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, turn right heading 090.
Right 090 for 737 Charlie Zulu. Definitely a little precip here. Windshield's getting wet.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, turn left heading 360.
Left 360 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, turn left heading 300, intercept the runway 27 final approach course.
Left 300, intercept the final approach course for 737 Charlie Zulu. Left.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, you're a beam cager, maintain 3,000 to establish on the final approach course, clear for the RNAV runway 27 approach.
Say the altitude again for 737 Charlie Zulu.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, you're a beam cager, maintain 3,000 to establish on the final approach course, clear for the RNAV runway 27 approach.
3,000 until established on the final approach course, clear for the RNAV 27 for 737 Charlie Zulu. Alright, there comes an needle. Heading to...
November 7 Charlie Zulu, contact Lewis Tower 134.8.
34.8 over to Lewis Tower, 737 Charlie Zulu, good night. Lewis Tower, good evening, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu outside of No Kids.
Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu, Chicago, or at Lewis Tower, 4 to 4 mile final, straight in runway 27.
4 to 4 mile final, straight in for 27, 737 Charlie Zulu. Let's go carpet on. We can go to 2,300 feet. Alright, we've been cleared. We're 2 miles outside of the final approach fix. We'll maintain 80. And descend to 2,300.
Lewis Tower, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie is 10 miles to the west of the airport with information Tango on a practice localizer 9, circle to runway 27 if possible.
Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, Lewis Tower. Maintain VFR, practice approach approved. No separation is provided. Report a 4 mile final runway 9.
Maintain VFR and no separation is provided and report a 4 mile final for runway 9197 Mike Charlie. Thanks.
Alright, carpet's coming on inside of final approach fix. We'll follow the glide slope all the way down. Alright, got runway in sight.
Lewis Tower, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, 4 mile final for runway 9.
All right, 7 Mike Charlie, about a mile final, circle for left traffic, runway 27, report your circle.
Circle, left traffic, and a mile final, report your circle 197 Mike Charlie, thanks.
In Tower, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu, about a 4 mile final for 27.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, runway 27, cleared to land. You may see traffic inbound to the airport from the west. He will be circling on a mile final for left traffic on runway 27.
Roger, clear land 27 for 737 Charlie Zulu. All right, gas is on board and the carriage is secure. Mixture is full. Rear seatbelts are on. 80 and runways in sight. Staying on glide. 5,500 feet of runway.
Lewis Tower, Skyhawk 197 Mike Charlie, circling for runway 27.
Skyhawk 7 Mike Charlie, follow the traffic on a mile final number 2, runway 27, cleared land.
Have the traffic in flight number 2, clear to land, runway 27, 197 Mike Charlie, thanks.
We're going to stay at flaps 20. It's a little gusty. All right, we'll go to 70 now.
Cessna 7 Charlie Zulu, turn left next intersection, taxi to parking, remain this frequency.
Left on, we'll turn left on Golf and taxi with you for 737 Charlie Zulu.